Hi everyone, my name's Mike and I'm back with your weekly tech tip. First, thank you for tuning in. It's a pleasure to share these short tech tip videos with you each week. This week, we answer a very popular question: what is Microsoft Teams? There's a lot of confusion on what exactly Microsoft Teams is. Some think it's a chat application, others believe it's just an upgrade from Skype for Business. The truth is, it's a very powerful application that can be used to enrich collaboration and communication. Microsoft Teams was built with a modern workplace in mind and can introduce new work behaviors that for some, especially your email users, may bring about some concerns. But trust us, once you start using Microsoft Teams, you may abandon email altogether. Well, not to that extreme, but you'll use it less than ever before. I'm going to keep this video at a very high level because we can spend hours going through everything that Microsoft Teams can offer, so if you want to learn more, just give us a call or drop us an email. Microsoft Teams is part of the Microsoft Office 365 product suite. Microsoft Teams works well for small groups or large enterprises. Essentially, it allows you to have private chats with colleagues to foster group discussion, as well as share and collaborate on documents, spreadsheets, and other files in real time with your team members on projects. That's right, Microsoft Teams eliminates the process of emailing a version over to someone, waiting for them to work on it, and then having it sent back to you. A process that's not the most secure after all. And get this, you can even add external partners, customers, clients, and anyone else to a project or discussion. Plus, there are many additional applications that can link into Microsoft Teams. We highly recommend you check it out. If you already subscribe to Microsoft Office 365, depending on your subscription, you may already have access to Microsoft Teams. Have questions about Microsoft Teams? Connect with us over the phone, email, or if you're watching this video on our website through our live chat agency in the corner of the screen. Thanks for tuning in to this week's Tech Tip. Again, my name's Mike. I look forward to sharing another great tech tip with you next week.